Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic planner 5D, how to add wall. So we have this example room, and then I will click at this wall. You can click these icons to spare it. I will create again from this point, click this icon to spare it. Now you can click at this point, move like into here, and then I will select at this corner, move into center point. The next, you can select this wall and we spare it again. After it, you can click at this point and then you can move into the center or here. Okay, you can select and then you can move into here. The next, I will select at this point. You can move into here to resize the wall. Okay, I will create again. I will hide one in here for wall and then you can select to divide. Select again to divide. And then I will select at this wall, this point, move into here. Click again from this point into here. And then I will create spirit in this wall. Now you can move into this point. Okay, that's it for basic planner 5D, how to add wall. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.